Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the Splatoon shooters. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this blaster, and to begin we're going to start out with the middle section first. So this time it's just going to be a rectangle. So this is going to be the part right above the trigger. Okay, so then from here, we're gonna draw in the trigger first. So just come down right in the middle. Just draw a little line. Come out, and then just curve this part. Okay, I know it's a little bit weird drawing the trigger first. So after this, we're gonna draw the parts around the trigger. So we just gotta come down, and just draw in a line like this, and then go up. And then now we're gonna give this line some thickness here. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw the handle. So we're just gonna come down with a nice curve, and then we're gonna go out and draw the back of it. So we're gonna start out here in the corner and give a nice curve, and then we're gonna come down. Just try to follow this curve here, curve it down, and then just close it off with a horizontal line. And then from here we're gonna move on to the front, and we're gonna draw in one section here. So just come out and draw a little rectangle here, and then we're gonna extend this. And this part gets a little bit tricky because of all these overlapping shapes here. So I'm gonna come out slightly. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw a line right here. So this is actually gonna come down, and this is not gonna connect. And then once you have that, I'm gonna draw in, here's the little grip. So we're just gonna draw one rectangle here. Okay, and then once we have the rectangle, we can draw in there's gonna be some details in here. So just draw in two lines and close it off. And then on the bottom here, just draw in another curve just like that. And you're gonna have to erase out that line, and I can't do it because of the Sharpie. Okay, and then from here, let's finish up this area right here. So we're just gonna continue this line, come straight across, and then we're gonna continue this, come out over here, and then come down here to the middle, leave a little bit of space, and draw in one rectangle in here. So that's why it's a little bit tricky. Okay, I think that was the hardest part, so now the rest is actually a lot easier. So we're gonna extend this section here, so we're gonna continue the barrel. So it's behind this rectangle. And then now from here, go out, flare it out, close it off, and then this part, we're just gonna continue the barrel, rectangle, and there's gonna be one more rectangle out here for the tip. All right, so now let's move on. Let's see, let's draw in. Okay, let's finish up this back part here. So we're just gonna extend this one. So this one's easy, and then we're gonna add some lines. So we can start out in the middle, one, and then each side we can just draw two more lines. Okay, so now let's draw in the tank on the top. So come about here, you can make yourself two little marks like that first. And then we're just gonna go straight up. So it's gonna come out pretty far. I'm just gonna close it. And then in here, I draw a little rectangle inside. So this is like a bracket. Okay, and then now we can draw in the tank. So the tank, we're gonna come a line here, just come out, and go back here. So that's gonna be one line, and on the bottom is gonna be the same line. We're gonna start here, just come out right about the same place as that one. Okay, and then once you have this, then we're just gonna curve it out and close this tank off. And then this side as well, we're gonna close it off. Just kind of, you can make it flatter on this end right here. Alright, and then on the back here, we're gonna have another one of these shapes here. So we're just gonna draw a rectangle, And then again, we're gonna divide it up. So one line in the middle, and then one more on each side. And then now we can add in the little holes that connects it. So on the bottom here, we're gonna this one is gonna come out and it's gonna attach up to here. Okay, and then this side right here, we're just gonna come out, just kind of follow the shape, come all the way down. Alright, so that's pretty much the gun, and we can add in some detail. There's gonna be adding a circle here. I know there's a couple of screws here in the corner. Here as well. And one more, and then you can write in the word Splatoon. So I'm just gonna write SP. And that is it for the Splatoon shooter. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.